Hi, my name's Amit Hiteshi. I practice internal medicine for Hoag Concierge Medicine. In my practice, I'm afforded the time to get to know patients on a very detailed level. Using that information, I'm able to provide a very personalized treatment approach. I'm humbled by the trust that people give me on a day-to-day basis to come into their lives and try to help them improve their health. I believe that practicing medicine in today's world will bring the best of both Eastern and Western philosophies. Eastern, which does a great job with prevention, and Western, which does such a good job with acute care. Blending these two principles will provide a treatment plan that brings out optimal well-being. I love what I do because I'm given the opportunity every day to not only learn from patients, but also share my experience. And my promise is that I would treat someone in my practice like I would treat my family. I look forward to meeting with you and partnering with you on your journey to well-being.